The stand is designed to come apart in 3 pieces. So it's got these 2 legs right here, and then it has the tabletop. So I mean, you know, if you guys could just wrap those so that they don't get dinged up.
Yep.
But other than that, that's the whole thing.
Sounds good.
This is the easy part. Getting it in the window might be the hard part. I'm guessing that frame probably weighs 200 pounds or so.
Yeah, now you took all the nuts out of it.
Yeah, it was in the 450 pound.
Oh, I bet.
It came in that case when it came to the shop, and when it did, it took 5 guys.
Oh, really? Wow. Tell us when you're good. Good? Alright.
So guys, the top, where the top of it is right now, is the front.
Okay. Get off. Towards the wall or this, like this front?
This bottom part needs to go towards the wall.
Okay. Go in a little bit.
Open up the window. Check it out the window. Do what? Throw it out the window.
So guys, there's two pieces of steel on either side of it. They'll fit right into the tracks on the stand.
Oh, that's cool. Stand up and shut it off. Do that metal piece right here, that goes in there.
Got like a little ledge. It's on.
Yeah, so you may need to pull the stand out from the wall just a little bit. But they should fit right in there.
It's in.
That's it.
Yep.
That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. You guys are experts, so of course it was easy.
That's good.
This window back together.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's right in there.
Holy cow.
Is that the strangest thing you put in somebody's house? All right, everybody. So it's in. Here we go in our new home. So the stand is designed to allow the console to pull forward and back, so that if I need to patch anything into it, I can. The casters are a special 4-inch by 2-inch Coulson. And they're all static. None of them swivel. So they're designed so that the console can just pull forward and back. And I actually shot a video on building this stand, which I just have to edit. But we put our LM logo in there, and we did it in purple just to match the console. So there's little handles on this stand here also, just so that you can have some place to grab it. So the way that we did the stand on this was all of the weight of the console is just supported on these two side rails right here. If you see if I can get the camera in there, the whole bottom of the console is actually open. Nothing is touching. Nothing is touching. The console weight is fully supported by these two pieces. So what we did was we made a marine grade plastic notch on either side to allow the console to sit in there, so it locks into place. So the stand is made out of 3/4-inch Baltic birch, and it's black texture coated. So the back of the console, if you see my spike tape marks on the absorbers here, is 45 inches tall. So it definitely is pretty tall. You can't really sit behind it at this point, but I had to do it like that so that my racks would fit below. So in the next videos, we're gonna show just getting the rest of it cleaned up, and we're gonna start to put this thing together, and we'll get it wired up. Thanks for stopping by.